Let's learn basic commonly used English words. You can listen to these words to improve your pronunciation and also to understand when and where to use it. Inside. The paper is inside the bag. Feel. I feel like crying. Eat. I like to eat ice cream. With. I am going with him. In. I am living in London. Outside. He is standing outside. About. Think about it. Buy. I will buy a newspaper. Hungry. I am hungry. Policeman. He is a policeman. Help. Can you help me? Like. I like this color. Friend. They are good friends. Speak. Can you speak English? Call. Please call him now. Enjoy. Let's enjoy the party. Morning. I am going tomorrow morning. Evening. We have a party this evening. Read. We are reading the book. Listen. Please listen to me. Run. They are running. Laugh. He is laughing. Arrange. Can I arrange that? Between. The house is in between the trees. Sit. Sit on the chair. Wait. They are waiting for the bus. In. The money is in the bag. On the. The book is on the table. Goodbye. Let's say goodbye. Today. I am busy today. Too. I am too tired to run. Fishing. My father went fishing. Drive. I am going for a drive. Another. I have another sister. Favorite. Red is my favorite color. Doctor. He is a doctor. Lawyer. He is a lawyer. Have. I have an apple. Beautiful. She is beautiful. Swim. I like to swim. Car. I have a blue color car. Melt. The ice is melting. Draw. She is drawing a rat. Pull. He is pulling the rope. Many. I have many books. Dance. They like to dance. Cycle. I like to go cycling. Drink. She is drinking coffee. Kind. The young girl is very kind.